Okay, this is lesson 29, Algebra 1. And this is just going over those last few examples that we didn't get to in class yesterday. So if you look at 29.6, we have x squared, y to the fifth, y to the negative second, x to the negative second. So if we simplify this, I think we actually did this one in class, but I'm just going to go over it anyway. We're going to combine these two. So this is going to be x to the 0, and this is going to be y to the third. So that x to the 0 equals a positive 1. So this is just going to be y to the third. All right, that's the A. And then the B is m to the fifth, b to the second, m, b to the negative second. I'm going to look at that b to the fifth and that b to the first. I'm sorry, that m to the fifth and that m to the first. That's going to be m to the sixth. And then b to the second and b to the negative second is going to be b to the 0 power, which is going to be a positive 1. So that's going to be m to the sixth. Okay? All right, now let's go to that next set of examples. 29.7, use the distributive property, the distributive property to expand. So we've got x to the fifth power, y to the 0 power z times p to the negative 3, z to the 0 power minus 4x to the negative 5, and z to the negative 1. All right, what you need to remember is that this equals a positive 1 and this equals a positive 1. So what we're really multiplying here is this times this. Okay, so we're going to distribute that to both terms. X to the fifth power z times p to the negative third is going to be x to the fifth z p to the negative 3. And then this times this is going to be minus 4x to the 0 power, right? And z to the 0 power. So these are both positive ones. So your whole expression will be this, minus 4. Okay. And then the next example, 29.8. X to the negative second, y to the negative second, x to the second, y to the second, plus 4x to the fourth, y to the second. Oops. All right. This times this is x to the 0. This times this is y to the 0. So this is 1 times 1. And then x, go into the second term, x to the negative this. So this is going to be plus 4. And then this is x to the second. And this is y to the 0. So this is a positive 1. So this is 1 plus 4x squared. All right. Then last thing, 29.9. Got 2 to the 0 power. Got negative 2 to the 0 power. And we've got the quantity of negative 2 to the 0 power. Okay, so this is a positive 1. This part is positive 1, but this means the opposite of whatever this is. So this is going to be a negative 1. And then this applies to everything inside the parentheses, so this is all going to be a positive 1. Okay, I hope that helps, and I'll see you guys in class tomorrow.